In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record in TradingView. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture a clean recording of your chart directly from TradingView without any extra software. First, open the specific TradingView chart you want to record. Take a moment to set it up the way you want it to appear in the video. Choose your symbol and time frame. Make sure your indicators and drawings are visible and tidy up the layout. If there's anything on your screen you don't want to capture, hide it now. This quick prep helps your recording look polished and focused. Next, look to the top right corner of the chart and click the Publish button. Even though Publish is usually associated with sharing ideas, it also includes a built-in recording option, so this is exactly where you want to go. From there, select Record Video Idea. This is TradingView's native screen recorder for chart walkthroughs and explanations. Depending on your browser, you may see a prompt to allow microphone access if you plan to record your voice. If you prefer a silent recording, you can simply proceed without enabling audio. Before the recording starts, you'll be prompted to review the terms. Give them a quick read so you understand how your video can be used and what's allowed under their community guidelines. When you're ready, click Continue Publishing to move ahead. You'll see a 3-second countdown. Use that brief moment to get your cursor in place and see breath. When the countdown finishes, your screen and the chart you've prepared will begin recording. Speak clearly if you're narrating, and move your cursor deliberately so viewers can follow along. If you're demonstrating indicators, drawing trend lines, or showcasing price action, try to keep your actions purposeful and avoid rapid clicks so the final video feels smooth and easy to watch. When you've covered everything you wanted to show, click Stop. TradingView will immediately generate a preview so you can review what you captured. Play it back to confirm that the visuals look sharp and, if you recorded audio, that your voice is clear and at a comfortable level. If you're happy with the result, you'll see the option to download the video. Save it to your computer so you can share it, archive it, or upload it wherever you need. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, click Publish, choose Record Video Idea, accept the terms, record after the countdown, then stop and download your video. Practice a quick dry run first and you'll be recording professional-looking TradingView videos in no time.